All right. We are right down the street from the yard, all right? Right down the street from the yard. And I got some treats for y'all. You know, it's a little different, you know. I'm a little different. And I seen these in the yard yesterday. So I had to get them. Let me see if I can. Oh, yeah, we're about to pull up to. We're about to pull up to the yard right now. I got some stuff I want to show y'all. Let's see. Man, they kind of packed out here, low key. It's busy out here. We are here. What's up? What's up, brother? Hey.
Okay.
I gotta pull up to the next gate to go look at them. So these are the wheels, guys. There's two of them. What up, man? What's up? What's up? Where's the center cap?
Okay.
Oh, okay, over here. Okay. Okay.
And there's right and lefts on those.
Okay, so this is even the wheel got a right and left too?
No, this is right sides because they turn backwards.
Okay. What do you have to hit them with a hammer or something?
Rubber mallet, yeah. They drive a little bit, then hit them again because if you don't, they'll back off. But that's how they go on. One spins to the right to tighten, one spins to the left to tighten.
All right, guys, what do you think? You know, I offer $250. These are real Dayton wheels. You guys let me know what you think. $250? Is that a good deal? Let me know.